Manage your contingent workforce easily and efficiently with Talient, an Eastridge solution. Talient is designed to be easy to use, yet capable of solving your most complex enterprise challenges. From requisition management and talent acquisition to onboarding, analytics, and more, Talient is your end-to-end solution for managing your contingent workforce. Talient's user-friendly design makes requisition management simple. With the click of a button, the solution streamlines the requisition process for every type of contingent worker, enabling you to effortlessly create requisitions for staffing suppliers, self-sourced payrollees, or 1099 independent contractors. Simply complete the configurable form, and once submitted, it will automatically route to the appropriate manager based on business rules. Why search inboxes looking for candidate resumes when you don't have to? With Talient, you can instantly see all active requisitions, drill down on a position, and review candidates. Access candidate details, including desired pay rate, as well as their resume, directly within your browser. Another advantage of self-service is the ability to ask a recruiter a question and get answers directly in a convenient Q&A format. Easily compare candidates, and when you find a good fit, schedule an interview. With Talient, you can evaluate supplier performance anytime with the ability to see historical trends and KPIs based on industry best practices. Talient simplifies onboarding with the ability to track the status of each worker in real time. At a glance, you're able to see which documents require submission, which are awaiting approval, and which have been approved. Drill down to view all worker documents, securely stored and easily accessible in the cloud. Once a worker is on assignment, instead of using spreadsheets to track your workforce, now you can see your workforce in real time. Built to simplify and streamline worker management, Talient's user-friendly design allows you to quickly search across workers, filter by supervisor or department, and access key information, including start and end dates, total hours, and more, with just a few clicks. With legacy systems, it takes too long for managers to edit and approve time, especially if they have dozens of workers on staff. With Talient, managers can effortlessly review, edit, and approve time. And for high-volume environments, they can approve multiple timesheets instantly. Directly from the dashboard, a manager can review worker hours and any rest period penalties, all without needing to click. In a single view, monitor and configure your workers' job codes, pay rates, cost centers, purchase orders, and more. You can also extend or end an assignment, all from a single screen. When it comes to financial management, don't let purchase orders deplete without you knowing. Track them in real time. Even if you have multiple POs per worker or multiple workers on the same PO, Talient allows you to view purchase order depletion, sort, drill down, view transactions, and see the workers who are assigned to any PO. Talient is a highly adaptable solution that's powerful and simple to use. From automating processes, to managing contractors, to ensuring compliance, Talient is your end-to-end solution for all of your contingent workforce needs. To learn more, please contact us today.